Firstly, you will draw the base. Then from B and from E, you will draw the arc of 5 centimeter. They will cut each other at R. Now again, from B, you will draw the arc of 9. From E, you will draw the arc of 7. They will cut each other at A. Now join them. This will be of this form. इस तरह से form होगा. You will get this shape. 5, 5, 9, 7, and this is your 6. From E, 5 centimeter. From B, 5, you will get this point R. Then from B, you will draw 9. From E, you will draw 7. Then you will get another triangle. Then you will join RA. This will gives you a quadrilateral BF. After completing this figure, you will join R and A. That will complete your quadrilateral BF. Then you have to measure the length of RA. Measure the length of RA with the scale and write the dimension here. What you are getting? RA is 4 centimeter. Maybe few of you are getting less than 4 or more than 4. It can be 3.9. It can be 4.2, 4.3, 4.1. Answers can be changed. Draw a circle of 3 centimeter. Draw a circle of 3 centimeter. Draw its diameter. Draw its diameter AC. Construct its perpendicular bisector. Construct its perpendicular bisector and let it intersect the circle and let it intersect the circle at B and D. And let it intersect the circle at B and D. What type of quadrilateral ABCD is? What type of quadrilateral is ABCD is? Justify your answer. Now look here. Firstly, for this, you will draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Mark the center as O. Radius is 3 centimeter. Then you will join a diameter. Its name is AC. Yes, can you tell me the length of this diameter? 6. Yes. Yes, listen. In the question, it is written that you have to draw the diameter. Then you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this. How you will draw the perpendicular bisector? You will open the compass of more than half of this. You will draw the arc from A, and then same radius arc will be drawn from the point C. So from here, you will draw the arc. From C, you will again draw the arc. They will meet each other, and you will increase this line. This will meet the circle at B. This point is your B. This point is your D. Then what? You have to tell me the name of the type of quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral, but quadrilateral is not forming here. What we will do? We will join AB, BC, CD and DA. In this manner, you will get a quadrilateral AB, BC, CD and DA. Can you tell me the name of this type of quadrilateral? Not so. Yes, it's a square. Actually, you all will be able to see that AD is the diameter and BD and AC both are the diameters. And diameters of the circle are same. So in this manner, AC and BD are the diameters as well as they are the diagonals of the figure. AC and BD are the diameters of the circle as well as they are the diagonals of the figure. And the figure which is having diagonals of equal length, it can be a square as well as it can be a rectangle. But as you can see that diagonals are intersecting each other at 90 degrees. So this is a square because square is having 3 properties. Diagonals are equal, bisect each other and they will meet each other at 90. So it is a square. So you will write here ABCD is a square So the reason for this is ABCD is a square because diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90 degrees. So this is the reason that you have to give.
मैम एक बार 7th क्वेश्चन रिपीट करोगे? मैंने लिखा नहीं.
Okay. Yes, I am repeating statement of 7th question. Construct a quadrilateral beer. BE is 6 centimeter. EA is 7 centimeter. RB is 5 centimeter. RE is again 5. BA is 9. BA is 9. Measure the length of the fourth side. Measure the length of the fourth side. Question number 9. Write down the statement. Is it possible to construct a quadrilateral? Is it possible to construct a quadrilateral Rome in which RO is 4 centimeter, OA is 5 centimeter, angle O is 120 degree, angle R is 105 degree, angle A is 135. If not, then why? You have to tell me, is it possible to draw a quadrilateral or not? If yes, then you have to tell me the reason. If not, then again you have to justify it by giving the proper reason. Yes? Yes, 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 exactly. Yes, listen. As you can see that 3 angles are given to you. If you add all the 3 angles O, R and A, then you will get the answer as 360 degrees. But as we know that sum of all the 4 angles should be 360. But here, from this you can write that the fourth angle is 0 degrees, which is not possible. So it's not possible to draw the quadrilateral. You will write here, it is not possible to draw a quadrilateral because sum of 4 angles should be 360. Because sum of 4 angles should be 360. It is not possible to draw a quadrilateral because the sum of 4 angles should be 360 degrees. Question number 10, that is the last question of the assignment. After doing this question, we have finished our syllabus of the final term. So from the next lecture or maybe even from the today only, we will start with the revision. Got it? Now the last question is, you have to construct a square. The sides of the square are not given, but the length of the each diagonal is 5. You have to construct a square whose length of each diagonal is 5. But here the base is not given. Then, can you tell me the similar type of question which we have already discussed in this manner? I'm asking about that similar type of question in which the length of 2 diagonals are given. We have discussed earlier also. Can you tell? Yes, rhombus. In case of the rhombus, if you remember that we have discussed that 2 diagonals are given, one is of 5.2 and other is of 6.4. What we have done in that question? Yes, exactly. So in the same manner, you will construct a square whose diagonals are equal, and we know that In case of the square, diagonals are equal and they are perpendicular bisector of each other. So you will use that same result as we have discussed in the case of the rhombus, and you will use the same method to draw this. So for this, the rough figure will not be of this form. It will be in the form of kite. It will be of this form, 5, and this is also 5. Got it? No base is given, so that's why I have drawn it in this manner. Give the name. So from here, you will draw the base as BB, that is 5 centimeter. You will draw the base as 5 centimeter. Then what will be the next step? We have drawn the base. Yes, exactly. We will draw the perpendicular bisector of this by taking the radius more than half of BD. Then you will draw the arc from B and D respectively on the upper side and on the lower side of this. So you will get the perpendicular bisector in this form. I know you all are able to draw this because we have discussed similar type of 2 questions in the previous exercise. Then this point will be O. What will be the length of the arc that you will draw from O? Yes, that will be the half of this. So from O, you will draw the arc of 2.5 on the above side and on the bottom side of this. This will give you C and A. You will join them and you will get a square. Yes, what's the reason for this? Which result you will write here? Diagonals of square are equal and bisect each other at 90. Got it? Any doubt after doing this? Let's start with the revision of the exponent in power. I am starting from the last second exercise, write in the standard form. And for the standard form, you all know that you have to put the decimal after the first digit. So you will write this in the standard form. You will remove these numbers from the back. Zeros can be removed, but the number you can't remove. So count the digits, put the decimal here after the first digit. If you are putting the decimal from the right, then the power will be in the positive form. If you are shifting the decimal from the left, then the power will be negative. Clear? If you put the decimal from the right hand side, it will give you 10 raised to power positive. As you have to see that, how many numbers, how many places you are shifting, that you will see at your own. But whenever the decimal is given and you will shift the decimal after the first digit, as you are shifting the decimal from the left, then the power of 10 will be in the negative form. And in the usual form, you will remove this 10 raised to power minus 8, 10 raised to power minus 6, and 10 raised to power 4. You will remove this, you will simply write one number. Hurry up, do it. Now, second part is you will shift the decimal up here. It will become, yes, Laksh. What should I write here at the first place? 3.7, 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 raised to power minus. Okay, sit down. Yes, Arshita. Manyavi. Okay. For this, you will write this as 3. This is 10 raised to power minus 8. You will write here in this manner. And when you remove these zeros, 8 zeros are there. So you will count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this number you are getting. Here also,